Cola with some Hennessy. You know I like it when you mad at me.
Hey, GETMADE Squad, it's Shanice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope that this video finds you wonderful, great, excellent spirits. We are in November. We are like in the second week of November. Like, this is crazy. Because, I mean, so much has transpired over this year. And to just make it to the end. I don't know how to describe it or put it into words. It just seems like the year just flew by, but it didn't at times. I don't know. It's been a wacky year. Okay, well, I'm not gonna even go through all of it. You know why it's just been a wacky, weird year. Things that you wouldn't think would happen, happened. Things you thought were gonna happen, didn't happen. Things we never planned for happened. And you know what? If you're watching this and you made it through to this point, and hopefully you'll make it through to see 2021, give yourself a pat on the back. Like, congratulations, you made it through. You have made it to this point. You made it through all that's been thrown at us, and you're still standing and you're still going. I know, me myself included, I thought 2020 was going to be my year. I know a lot of people are like, yes, this is going to happen, all this. Didn't quite plan out that way. God had other plans for us, or the universe, or whatever you believe in, that had other plans for us. But I just feel like we can learn a lot from what has transpired, and we can take that to 2021 and still achieve our goals and still go after 2021 like it's nobody's business. Because we're going to go up from here. I'm not going to say the other same people normally say. I'm going to put it this way. We're going up from here. It's going up. Positive for everybody. Whatever goal you had set for yourself for 2020, don't just say, okay, toss it, leave it alone. Take that goal in 2021 and still go after it. If you're one of the people that still went after your goals, even with everything going on, man, big, huge kudos to you that you did not let all this stop you from going after and achieving your goals. And that's what one of the life lessons, right? I mean, obstacles are going to come up. Things are going to be thrown at you. You're going to be flopped all around. But if you're able to right yourself back up through all that and still go after your goals, man, that lets you know nothing can stop you. That you're on a mission, you're focused, and you're going after it. If you weren't able to go through, if this was just too much for you this year, that is okay. Nobody could have predicted what we went through this year. So it is okay if you weren't able to achieve whatever goal you're going through, or if you were just like, you know what, I'm just going to pause, let 2020 run its course, girl. Do what you do, girl. Do what you do. Because 2021, you're going to come back ready to go, ready to attack. So there's my little message at the beginning. Let's go into the second reason why we're here. I did have a wig on, but I hadn't like washed the glue and stuff off of her. I just slapped her on today and put a hat on for work. And I was like, I cannot go on camera with this unit looking like this the way it does. So that's why I'm just, this is what you get right now, okay? But leaving the makeup done. But yeah, I know I would cringe watching this playback. Going, why would you do that? And if you're new to my channel and you see my wig looking like that, you're like, I'm supposed to believe the stuff you say with your hair looking like that. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it to you. Couldn't do it to myself. Okay. So I have a new unit, another new unit. Like, I placed the order, and then right as I placed the order, Wig Types drops the IG pic saying they just add the unit, this other unit, to their website, and I've been looking at this unit just for the last few weeks. So I was like, okay, cancel, redo, here we go. This is my first unit from the Outre Melted Hairline collection, because I've just been late. I really like frontals. I've just been so into frontals, so I just haven't really gotten into all the just the regular parts. Anywho, and the ones I did like, they were always selling out because they're like really gorgeous. So I have the new one, Seraphine. So we're gonna go with Seraphine. Anyway, here she is, just released, hot off the press, off the trucks. case you're interested in a stock card, that's it right there. So baby hairs are included. Frontal effect hairline, no plucking required. Redesign comfort fit ear contour, pre-attached wide elastic band. And I got her in the color DRFF2/cinnamon mocha. Heat resistant up to 450 degrees, HD transparent lace. And again, that's the inside of the stock card. So she comes with 6 specialty colors, and of course your natural colors. And I can't remember if I have to pay extra for this color. I did. It's specialty color. So here's that. This is a lot of lace. Do they all come like this? So this is a lot of lace. I'm not sure. Why do you need that much lace? I don't know. Okay. So, well, I guess because you can, you know, to help with giving that natural look. Because the tracks start back here. So you have about what? About an inch of space from the where the hairs come in for the baby hairs and the hairline to here. So that's, I guess, how you're getting that illusion, natural hairline illusion. And then you got the 2 combs, temple area. Then you got the comb in the back, and then there's that elastic band. Yeah. So, and then you can see the hairline, I mean not the hairline, the parting space right there. So let me cut off the lace and let's see what she do. Off the bat, I think this is a gorgeous unit. The hairline is awesome, amazing. Like, this is a melted hairline. You see what, like it's flapping like Dumbo. It's like that extra skin that flaps. Anyway, so yeah, it's just not big head friendly-ish, and it's hard for when you have a big head to adhere some of these units down, because you're basically gluing on top of your own hair, and sometimes your hair is like, no, no girl, I don't want to. Okay, so I don't know yet what I'm going to do now. This color. You can't tell me nothing in this color. I'm not talking about her moving back on my head. We're not talking about that. I'm talking about the color. You can't tell me nothing in this color. Like, nothing. Okay? Like, I don't even know how to, I don't even know. Do you, I'm sorry guys, but this color is gorgeous. Like, I wasn't excited about that last unit. You know what unit I'm talking about. Wasn't impressed, wasn't happy until I cut her up. But this one I'm so happy. So freaking happy that I went ahead and ordered this unit as soon as I saw that she was available. Let me wear her for the day, and I will let you know how she does and come back with my final thoughts on her, at least from wearing her after a day. Alright, squad. So, as promised, I am back. It is 3:53 in the morning. It has been a long day. I have been up and going since 7:20. Didn't get off work till 1 a.m. After getting home, relaxing, doing my thing or whatever, I'm finally behind the camera to record this. So bear with me, okay? So if I look like I'm tired, it's because I am. So please don't hold that against me. Don't hold it against my channel. I'm only human, guys. I'm only human. So anyway, wore her all day. So I put her on around 10. So it's been 12, 5. It's been 17 hours since I've had this unit on my head. So let me show you what I did. Nothing special, wasn't any like big tricks or anything like that. I didn't cut into the elastic band, because you can do that if the wig is too small. You can cut into there to try to give you some more room. I didn't do that with this unit. I wanted to see if I could do something with her without doing all that. So it's just the basics. This is some of it came up, like I told you, I've had this on for 17 hours, so, and I've been playing with her. So I did put a little bit of the thin baby hairs that does come with. I swooped that down with my own baby hairs, and then I cut some baby hairs on the side right here. This side not so great, but this side looks much better. I did this side first, so usually the side I do first usually looks the best. But so yeah, I did that. I was able to kind of get it to stay down. Earlier in the video, I mentioned that sometimes when trying to use the Got To Be Glued spray or any kind of adhesive, it's kind of hard sometimes to adhere the lace to like your actual hair for it to actually stick without pulling out your hair when you're ready to take it off. So I was able to kind of get it to stick down so that the lace wasn't flapping all about. But yeah, I think this unit looks fabulous. I received many compliments on this unit. I got hit on I don't know how many times today. She is a long unit and she's synthetic, so with those two together, that means she is going to frizz and tangle on you. Nothing bad. Like, I didn't brush her throughout the day. I left her alone. I brushed her in the morning before I put her on, and that is it. And I brushed her before I got on camera. Didn't have any issues with her. I can just feel until she's going to start doing the crunchy thing if you wear her every day. Like this color, I know I said it before, but this color is absolutely gorgeous. If this unit is still available in this color, pick it up. It's like, I can't even, why can't I figure out how to describe this color? It's like, I'm so upset with myself that I can't figure out. It's like what am I trying to say, guys? It's like a chocolatey auburn color. A chocolate kind of burgundy color. Like that. Like, it just has tones of, it's like a hint of like this burgundy color, but not a lot, you know, but just enough to like hint, like just a little taste of a little stitch black, you know, like that, you know. I'm sorry, guys. It's late. Okay. And it's like this beautiful kind of color. I just can't describe it. It's like so many colors going on in this unit. Not so many, but just so many. Like you're saying, so many. She has multiple colors in it, guys. That's all I can say to you. It just has this light brown, but chocolate, but not chocolate, kind of burgundy brown going on. This hairline, you don't have to manipulate it at all. Like, I didn't do anything to this hairline besides cut the lace, and that is amazing. That's so awesome. One less thing to worry about. One thing I do know. So let me see if I can show it to you. You see where the track starts? So this is the, you know, the melted hairline. Then you got your track right here. So if you do want to do this kind of small little flip over, you gotta be careful because in certain lighting, you're gonna see that track. Now, if you get her in the 1 or the 1B, you probably won't really see it that much because the hair itself is dark. But if you get a light color or the color like I have, you're going to see it. And it's also, the same goes for the part. I'm trying to see. You see how you can see it? You can see that where the track starts. So just be really careful with this unit when you're trying to do some creative styles with her. Just really pay attention to where you're grabbing the hair because of that fact. So I would just probably do, you know, if you want to do a half up, half down sort of thing, you can do that, but just be careful. So that's cute. And because my baby hairs, hopefully, I think I can get away with it, but, you know, if I can, I'm sure someone will let me know in the comment section. So yeah, you can do like a half up, half down with her, if that's what you're wanting to do. All right, sorry guys, I had to pause and come back. My youngest is sleepwalking, so it wasn't a good, whatever she's caught up in, it's not a good one. So let me go ahead and hop over here so I can lay down with her so she can get a peaceful night's rest. Everyone who's new to my channel, thank you so much for taking time to subscribe to the channel. Everyone who has stuck with me so far, thank you so much for continuing to be a part of this community, and hopefully we continue to grow throughout the remainder of this year into the next year. I would love to do a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers, so I would greatly, like from the bottom, the depths of my soul, really appreciate if you could share my videos with people to kind of put it out there so that way we can reach the 1,000 subscribers, so I can do a giveaway for you guys just to show my appreciation. And yeah, don't forget to hit that bell so you know when the video is headed your way. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for bearing through this and bear with me. If you have any questions, comments down, if you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Leave them down below and I will get back with you. Guys, long day, long night. I will see you next time. Bye.
I know you